everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, we're going to be unboxing my March 2019 Target Beauty Box. So I did just get this in the mail yesterday, and I am anxious to get inside and see what we've got this month. So I'm going to pull the lid off. It's a very pretty color for spring, of course. It does have a little card. It looks like there are 6 products in here. We do get the $3 off coupon of a $15 beauty purchase like we do every single month. I will tell you that this is very, very heavy. And also I want to tell you that I paid $7 for this. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Now I will also let you know that the website, when you order these, it does have all the products blatantly listed. So if you want to know what it is before you buy it, you absolutely can. I prefer to be surprised, so I don't look at the products. I just order it and go from there. So this is a full box, very, very heavy this month. We're going to go ahead and dig in. The first 2 items, I'm a little bit disappointed, and I'll tell you why. I'm a little bit disappointed, but also kind of happy about it. Okay, I'm just going to tell you. So these are the Beauty and Planet shampoo and conditioner, argan oil, and lavender. And they say smooth and serene shampoo and conditioner, calming definition for frizzy hair, and acts of love for our planet. So that's what they look like. You can get these at any Target store. I will tell you that the reason why I'm a little bit upset is that I have gotten this exact shampoo and conditioner kit. I think this is the 3rd time that I've gotten it in my Target box. Not that it's bad. I actually will take these when I'm traveling. I went on a trip a couple of months ago and I took one of these sets with me, and they're nice. They are nice shampoo and conditioners. So like I said, I'm kind of mixed feelings on that because this is the 3rd time I've gotten them in the last year, but I'm also happy because they are a nice product. So I'm kind of split on it. So all right, this says, okay, so this is the shampoo and conditioner. I'm going to read both of them. Let's see, the shampoo is this one right here. The Love Beauty and Planet Smooth and Serene Argan Oil and Lavender Shampoo. It's a rich blend of golden argan oil and French lavender. Leave locks smelling fresh and help keep strands frizz-free. And I will say that it does definitely help with my curly hair, keeping the frizz down. So definitely nice. And it says there's a hint: before shampooing, soak hair with lukewarm water, which will help open pores for a better wash. And then for the conditioner, this is the Love Beauty and Planet Smooth and Serene Argan Oil and Lavender Conditioner. Anti-frizz formula infused with golden argan oil and French lavender, smooths strands and nourishes hair for healthy looking locks. So it is kind of interesting that I just got those because my 19-year-old, my son Neil, just said to me earlier today, he's like, hey, can we go to this one store so I can get some shampoo and conditioner? I'm like, boy, I have got so many of these little samples, shampoo and conditioners. I'll give you some of them. They'll keep you good. For all the samples that I have in like my stash of samples, I think I've got probably 3 or 4 months worth of shampoo for him, maybe even longer. So all right, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. I think this is from Tresemme. It is the Botanic Color Vibrance and Shine Intensive Mask. So this is what it looks like. Looks like it is hair mask. We'll read from the card here in a second to confirm that, but I think this is probably a hair mask. So all right, this is the Tresemme Botanic Nourish and Replenish Mask. Botanical blend of pomegranate and camellia oil gives strands a surge of intense hydration, leaving locks soft. There's a tip: apply a generous amount from mid-shaft to ends, leaving on hair for 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Use once a week or as needed. There you go, a hair mask. All right, let's go ahead and get this one out. This is, I don't know. The little sticker is covering what it is. So I guess I'll go ahead and take the sticker off. Okay, so this is from Bliss. Now they do put these stickers on. They didn't used to, but I think that they had too many boxes where the products were leaking. So they've started putting these on a couple of months ago, and they're nice to have because they keep everything nice and secure. So, okay, this is Bliss Rose Gold Rescue. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. This is a gentle foaming cleanser. Smells nice. So this is what the bottle looks like. Okay. And this says it's the Bliss Rose Gold Rescue Gentle Foaming Cleanser. Rose water extract acts as a natural astringent, gently removing excess oil and grime, while rose gold shimmer gives skin a subtle glow. That's interesting. It says, psst, no parabens or sulfates and cruelty-free, which is nice. All right, let's go ahead and pull this item out next. This is the Shea Moisture matcha green tea and probiotics soothing toner and hydrating mist. All right, so it's a facial toner. This is what the packaging looks like. Okay. Okay. All right, so this is the matcha green tea and probiotics soothing toner and hydrating mist. Antioxidants and matcha green tea help hydrate and soothe redness, while nourishing probiotics restore balance to the skin to fight future flare-ups. For an extra boost of, it says a trick. For an extra boost of hydration, spritz onto skin before applying your daily moisturizer. I'm wondering if this would work over makeup. Do you think? Ooh. I don't want to spray it right on my face. Oh, it smells really nice. That smells really nice. I really like that. Okay, and then the last item here is also from Shea Moisture. This is the sugarcane extract and meadow foam seed silicone-free miracle styler leave-in conditioner or leave-in treatment with marshmallow root. You know I gotta open this and smell it. Oh, that smells really nice too. That smells really nice. Okay. I'm a little confused. It says to open by lifting up. Oh, okay. There's a little notch on here that if it's forward, it looks like it's closed, and if it's on the side, it looks like it's open. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, this is what the bottle looks like. In case you were wondering, I can stop talking and show you the bottle. Okay. And this is the Shea Moisture silicone-free miracle styler leave-in treatment. Innovative blend of sugarcane and nourishing botanicals leave tresses tangle-free so strands are manageable and luxurious. I will definitely give this a try. Absolutely. I put leave-in treatment in my hair every day after I shower. I have a favorite that I have used for years now, but I am open to trying new ones. I always try new ones, and then I always keep going back to the favorite one. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and read the card here. It says, March into spring. If you spent your winter hibernating and sipping hot cocoa, you're not alone. No shame in our game. But now that the days are getting longer and the weather's getting warmer, it's time to get glowing stat. To the rescue, our box of beauty finds that'll help you march into spring more radiant than ever. And then, of course, you can check them out on Target.com. So, all right, I'm actually really pleased with this. For $7, I got a 3.4-ounce bottle of the Miracle Leave-In Treatment, a 2-ounce bottle of the Soothing Toner and Hydrating Mist, 2 3-ounce bottles of shampoo and conditioner, which I do like that brand. I do like it. And then this Bliss 1 fluid ounce gentle foaming cleanser, and then the hair mask. So it's definitely very heavy, definitely very full this month. I really like the Target box. It's not a subscription where you can just sign up and then it will send you every month like other subscription boxes. You do actually have to log on to Target.com. It is typically the first Monday of the month. Every once in a while, it'll be the second Monday, but it is typically the first Monday of the month. And I really enjoy it. Like I said, for $7, I think you get a lot of products. Is it a makeup bag? No. They used to at least give a couple of pieces of makeup. And they will sometimes still put like an eyeliner or a mascara in, but typically anymore, it's more of these like beauty related products, but not makeup, if that makes sense. But again, it's $7. You're getting quite a lot for $7, I feel like, especially if you compare it to like the Walmart box. If you go and look at my Walmart box that I opened in February, I paid $5 for that one, and it is a joke. So there's that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, please hit the red subscribe button. I really do appreciate it if you would. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below as well. Did you get your Target box? And if so, what do you think of it this month? I would love to hear it. Anyway, I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye.